we have saluer. Saluer means to greet. Saluer are depending according to the time of the day. Now, for the times of the day, we have bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. Bonjour. Bonjour. We have bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. We have salut. Salut means hello. But bonjour and bonsoir are formal. Bonjour, good morning, it will be given all day long. Bonsoir, you give it at 6 p.m. Now we have salut. Salut is hello. It's more used between friends. Friends are allowed to say salut to each other. You do not read the T. You say salut. Now, this is how you start a conversation, by greeting somebody. But when you are ending it, we have bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi will mean good afternoon. But in French it's used as to end the conversation. It will mean in English as have a good afternoon. You have bonne nuit. Bonne nuit is good night. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. À bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. À plus tard. À plus tard means see you later. So, we will start once more. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bonne nuit, good night. Au revoir, goodbye. À bientôt, see you soon. À plus tard, see you later.